I love books.
Yes.
The power of reading compels me!
I don't know how to read.
This is what not to do with books.
What to do with books?
This is what not to do with a book.
This is what you do with a book. I'd like to check this out.
Oh, most definitely. Let me get this checked out for you. Bing! So that'll be due back in 4 weeks.
All right, thank you.
You're very welcome.
This is how not to use the book drawer. Oh, books.
This is what you do with a book job.
Hi, Robertson here. Are you tired of the comfort of your own home and internet access? I am.
Welcome to the Spokane Valley Library. Rob McRobertson will be there. See you soon. Hello, my name is Robert McRobertson, the famous newscaster, and I'm at the Spokane Valley Library. Yes, I'm at it. And this place is amazing. You can read and see me and me. Well, let's go take a tour.
Do you not know how to read?
Oh, look at that handsome face right there. Oh, we're rolling? Hi, get out of here. Hi, my name is Rob McRobertson, and this is my autobiography. Reading it, will definitely make you able to read. You know, because it's me, and I'm awesome. I just got a promotion. I shouldn't say that. Okay.
Man, I am.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Want to Sprite cranberry?